Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's get started. Today is Tuesday, the 14th.
Oh, yeah.
We'll wait. We're waiting, Emmanuel. Thank you. Okay, we're going to do absolute value level 10 today. Your homework, write this down. Odds, front and back. What are odds?
1, 3, like numbers that are not even. 1, 3, 7, 8,
1, 3, 5, 7, 9, ... right?
Yeah.
So front and back, all of the ones that are odd. So whatever is odd, you do it. Okay, ready? Okay. Okay, let's all be quiet now so I can hear the rain. That's pretty cool.
It's like white noise.
All right, yeah, I know. Look,
Like black noise.
I did that for a while. It did actually help. Absolute value, level 10. Level 10. That's tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah, let's sit.
Oh, it's
No, that's good, it's good, it's good.
It's good, it's good.
I can see.
I can see first.
We just can't see the screen.
No, we can see you.
We can't see the screen.
No.
Let's see.
Yay!
Just turn the light on. Yeah.
Please, hold on. Let's see. If you guys, okay, if we can handle it, great. If not, we'll go back to normal schedule.
Yes, we can handle it.
All right. It's your actions and your reactions that tell me. All right. We okay?
Yes.
Okay. No, do we need the light on? Okay. Thank you. Okay. So, yesterday we did absolute value -6 plus the absolute value of 2, right? And how do we solve this? You drop it down, right? The bars first. So what's the absolute value of -6? Hello? 6 plus absolute value of 2? 2. So what's 6 plus 2? 8. Okay, so this is like level 1. Okay? Now, level 10, same exact problem, but what is the difference? They're in the same bars, right? They're together. They're grouped together. So this is completely different math than this. In this example, we will get a different answer. You might sometimes get the same answer, but in this example, you'll get a different answer. So when they are together, you will do the math inside first. You will do the math inside first and follow the rules from last week. What's -6 plus 2? -4. So we're following the rules from like 2 weeks ago. The signs are different. Subtract. Now we still have the bars because we didn't ask ourselves, okay, what is the absolute value of -4? Drop it down and we get 4. Okay? So take a moment to like see what is the difference. Here we drop down each number, and here we do the math first. You can only take the absolute value when it's just one number inside. So when you have 2 numbers, you got to drop them down. I mean, you got to do the math and then drop them down. Okay? So, for example, absolute value of -10 minus, let's say the absolute value of -3. Okay? So here, because they're individual bars, we drop down the numbers individually. What's the absolute value of -10? 10. Minus, what's the absolute value of -3? 3. 10 minus 3? 7. Okay? Now, let's see. Here, -10 minus -3. We might actually get the same answer. No? Yes? No. Yes? Yes. Okay. So, -10 plus +3 gives me -7. In the bars gives me 7. So here's an example where you would get the same answer. Does that always happen? No, it does not always happen. Are we okay? So individual bars, drop them down. Then do the math. Kind of like parentheses, do this math first, then take the absolute value once you have one number. One number, then take it out. Okay, let's see. Absolute value of, what should I do? Ooh, no, I already gave you a 6. 12 plus the absolute value of negative 15, or absolute value of 12 plus negative 15. Will I get the same answers? No.
Find out.
Oh, yeah, sorry to ruin it. True, Sam. We'll find out. So single numbers, drop them down. Then do the math. When they're together in the same bars, do the math in the bars first. Once you have a single number, drop it down. We get two completely different answers. Yes?
So we never get a negative for the relative.
Unless there's a negative outside. Yeah, unless there's a negative outside. But, or you have different problems going on. So, for example, let's see. So glad you guys aren't like that dramatic. So glad you're not that dramatic. Let's do a problem on your, okay, so you're gonna get this problem on the classwork today. I'll change it a little. So, this is level 12. So, we have some numbers without bars. Then we have numbers with bars. Numbers with and without bars. So, kind of treat them like parentheses. What would you do first? The bars first. So, I have a problem inside. I'm going to do the problem inside. What's 2 plus negative 5? Negative 3. What's the absolute value of negative 3? 3. So 8 minus 3 minus 4. Any questions on this? We okay? Do we need more? You let me know. Okay. I do have something I forgot to teach you with multiplying negative numbers. Remember when we did negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3, right? And is my answer going to be positive or negative? Okay, so we taught you Dorito Man. We taught you to like pair them up. Negative, negative, negative. 2 negatives make a positive, and then you got third one. Okay, here's another way of doing it, and this might help you for high school. How many numbers here are negative?
3.
3 numbers are negative, right? 1, 2, 3. If you have an odd number of negatives, your answer will be negative. If you have an even number, your answer will be positive. Because even numbers, you compare them up in 2, right? So that means they would cancel each other out. Odd numbers, these two can only be a pair, and this one will be like the third wheel. Ruins everything. So, an odd number, odd equals negative. Sorry, I'm running out of room. And then an even number equals a positive. So how many numbers are negative? 3. So that means my answer is going to be negative. What's 3 times 3 times 3?
9.
27. Yep. Negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have 4, right? Is 4 odd or even? Even, so my answer is going to be positive. Now what's 27 times 3? 81 in the back. Good. Okay, so in high school, you're obviously not going to use the Dorito Man. So here's something you can memorize. If you have an odd number, 1, 2, 3, your answer is going to be negative. If you have an even number, your answer is going to be positive. So here's an example. 3 gave me negative. Here's 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is even. That means your answer is going to be positive when you multiply. Okay? Questions? Can you? Oh, some of you. Some of you yesterday didn't turn in everything I needed. So I needed a picture of this. 2 sides. This one was double-sided. This was 2-sided. And then I needed a picture of, what did the other one look like? Oh, this one. The back side of this one. Some of you turned in one side of this one, but I need the back side of this one, and then this one double-sided. This one double-sided. So if you didn't do that, redo it. Can you guys take out this one? Because some of you got these wrong.
Which one is that?
The one from yesterday. It says absolute value. I just want to go over your answers. You already turned them in, but I want to make sure your answers are right. It's on the counter on the right side. And then the other one's over there on the... That one's the one we're going to go over, and then the one's on the, by the homework over there. Okay, I'm not loving this dark classroom anymore.
Why not?
It's too dark, no? Can't see you guys.
It's with the
Wait, I have
rain
a
does to
question.
people.
What happened?
Isn't UCLA
In Los Angeles?
Yeah.
so we're driving to Los Angeles?
It's like,
Why don't we just take a private jet?
okay.
Isn't that like an hour?
An hour and a half.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So
Thanks
make
for
sure you use
letting
the
me know.
bathroom before.
Nope. I'm bringing a seat cushion.
Okay. It says absolute value. This was level 1. Sargoon, what'd you get for number 5? Number 5? 19? Well, what is your answer? You said 19. 59. That is a better answer. All right, Sam, number 7. What did you get?
Wrong paper.
All of a sudden.
Abort. Okay, number 7. Negative 13.
Wow. What's up with you guys and your answers? Number 9. Kyle, what'd you get for number 9? Okay, 23 minus 36, not good, so 23 plus negative 36. That's how I got a negative. Hence, I saw some of your answers, and some of your answers are kind of wacky, so we're going over them all together. So there you go. All right. Nomar, what'd you get for number 11? Good. All right, Santiago, what'd you get for 13?
21.
Okay. Eli, what'd you get for 15? Okay. So check your answers. Some are good. Some scared me last night. Oh, great. Hold on. Let me take this call. It's school related. All right. Here we go. Can we start on this side? Beep, 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 beep. So Miss Means passed out all the permission slips?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. So you got a mixture here. Okay. You're going to do this math, which is 6 minus 4, so our answer is 2. This is level, super easy level. This is super easy. Tomorrow, level 5,000.
Level 5,000.
Yeah.